Hey there gamers, and welcome back to another video. In this video I want to talk to you about how you can get garnets in Crimson Desert. So garnets are primarily used for upgrading equipment, particularly jewelry, and there are many places out in the open world that you can find them, particularly around mountainous terrain. So here, for example, I'm outside of Steel Mountains, and what you're going to be looking for are these red sort of veins that stick out like this. This is the garnet area. There are also several cave systems that have them as well, and just like any other ore, you just need to find the sweet spot where the color is the strongest, and then again just go ahead and hit it with a pickaxe, which I imagine you're probably aware you can get those from the supply store or from the quest. But again, you will be able to get several of them from these veins. They do sell for a good amount of coin as well if you are just looking to vendor them. A standard pickaxe is enough to mine them, so don't worry about bringing something that's more powerful. Any pickaxe will do. But that is how you get garnets in Crimson Desert. I really hope that this video helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It is greatly appreciated to help the channel grow, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.